This is a complete beginner guide to driving for a Lyft in 2026. So first of all, open your Lyft and make sure you're logged into your account. Then from here, tap on the profile icon right here. So after tapping on that option, if you scroll down a bit, you can actually see the option of settings, right? So simply tap on settings, and in here you can get the option of drive with Lyft. So simply tap on that one, and in here you'll need to add in your city name. So after adding your city name, tap on this button right here. Then you can simply agree with the terms and condition of Lyft. Tap on I agree. Then from here, what you're going to do is simply tap on get the driver app. So after doing that, here it will take us to our app store or your Play Store. So it will take you to your app store or Play Store, from where you'll be able to get the Lyft Driver application. Simply install the application on your phone and then open the application. After opening that application, you will get into the further process of how you can sign up as a Lyft driver. If you are eligible, you will be selected and hired as a Lyft driver, and that's it.